One of the vice principals.
So today we've been offering medical services. We have several medical doctors in one station. We have OBGYN services. We have a dental station. We also have a heart station. Additionally, we have someone who gave CPR instruction to some of the students.
I love the order. They seem to be very organized, and the students are really benefiting, and our staff members. And myself, I'm waiting to be seen by a doctor.
Primary focus was our children, but we did see a few of the parents and teachers, and we gave the students some care packages.
It is lively. There are kids everywhere, but they're all very nice. Everyone's very sweet.
Thanks for being here. I'm looking forward for more to come.
Absolutely.
More to come. This, as I said, this is a marriage,
yeah, man.
And we'll be here to stay. All right?
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks a lot.
JAHJAH Foundation.